back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. It's been a really long time since the last time we got to sit down and talk about handbags together. Where are my manners? If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you haven't not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also, while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and also press that little bell button so that you'll never miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So today we are going to be talking about a handbag that I am very obsessed with. Like, ever since I got it, have not put it down. No matter how hard I try to put it down, I run straight back to it. So we're going to talk about that handbag. Before we get into what handbag that I'm currently obsessed with, I do feel like I owe you all a life update and why I have been absent on YouTube and Instagram. Instagram, I have been popping in and out every now and then. YouTube, I kind of have been like absent, and I must apologize. Everybody who has stuck through, thank you so much. If you're an OG here, please comment down below, and if you're a new, also comment that down below, because I would love to chit chat with everybody. But let's see, I haven't posted a video since February, and I know I had also mentioned on Instagram that I was gonna do the No by February challenge, which I succeeded at. There was no rhyme or reason to why I wanted to do the challenge. It was just the fact that I was seeing it going around. I knew I've done some damage December through January with doing a lot of purchases, a lot of huge purchases. So I was just like, oh, I think it'll be fun if I partake in this challenge, and I was successful at it. It actually ran from February up until maybe the first week of April, honestly, for me. So it was great. So during that time period, I got promoted at work. I think I probably mentioned that in my last video I posted, I don't know, but I ended up getting a work promotion, and from the time I got promoted to currently where we are now, I have been in trainings, meetings, just trying to get adjusted to the whole role of being back in the office with that much responsibility and keeping up with the demand of the new position. And so it's kind of taking me back. So like when I'm on the weekends to like decompress, I just kind of wanted to do things that didn't revolve. I wanted to do things that allowed me to reconnect with myself and have mental well-being for myself, because I was starting to feel overwhelmed and burnt out, and things that I enjoy doing wasn't enjoyable for me anymore. So until I was able to find that balance and also incorporate the things that I enjoy doing, I kind of that's what's helping me be back in the swing of things. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been posting sparingly there, and you see that I've been posting like little weekend getaways. So that's what I've basically been doing these past few months. But I'm glad I'm back here chit-chatting with you all, because I did miss you all very much, and I feel like I owe you all this video and I owe you all this explanation, because it's just like I did disappear cold turkey, no explanation, no nothing, and I apologize for that. But for everybody who has stuck by my side, I thank you. So getting past the life update, and hopefully with me being more consistent with work life and hobby balance, like we can have more conversations like this, and I have my schedule back, so the consistency is going to be here. There's going to be plenty more unboxings. I have my whole handbag collection video that I have to film and upload for you all, and so I'm just really excited to be back. So without I don't want to keep you all waiting. So the handbag that I am currently obsessed with is the Louis Vuitton Boulogne handbag, and I hope I'm saying that right. So this is the cousin handbag. Well, I consider this the cousin handbag to the Odeon. I have the Odeon, and its shape is a little different from this handbag, and there's a leather tag, there's a front pocket, That's why I can't say they're sisters. They're more like cousins. But I can always do a comparison video between this bag and the Odeon. My Odeon is in the treated vachetta. This is in the black treated leather. This also comes in treated vachetta as well. But I really, really wanted a very, very carefree bag that wasn't too large and wasn't too small or wasn't too tiny, because we all know that there's mini bags, but just something that can hold all of my things but not make me feel weighed down. And this is the perfect bag for me. So I have so many pros, barely have any cons. The con for me, if I wanted to start out with the cons, was that why did I wait so long to get this handbag? The first reason why I didn't want to get this handbag from the get-go was the fact that I was like, okay, I have the Odeon. Why would I want another bag that looks just like the Odeon? But then the more I was seeing it on YouTube, the more I would see it in store, I was just like, I think this is the bag for me, because I was on the hunt to find a perfectly sized bag that can carry my everyday essential items but not make me feel like I'm carrying a briefcase or a backpack or nothing that's too tiny that it won't hold the extra things that I might want to carry and so forth. So I have my Louis Vuitton app up with the specs of this handbag. So this handbag is 11.4 in length, 6.3 in height, and 3.7 in width, and that's all in inches. This is a monogram coated canvas. It has a black textile lining on the inside, gold hardware. There's a flat pocket in the inside of the bag. The black strap is adjustable and removable. The strap drop is 12.2 inches. That's at its shortest length, and the longest length you can adjust the strap is 19.7 inches. There is a removable gold chain that you see in the front of my bag, and the chain drop for this bag is 9.8 inches when you wear it on your shoulder. So that is this bag in its specs. So this is what it looks like from the side. This is what it looks like from the back. Apparently, yeah, I have it on the back. Yeah, the straps are in the back, and then this is the front, and you have your leather tabs in each corner, and it's piped in black leather. And then the gold hardware, you get 2 zipper pulls, gold zipper track. The buttons that you use to adjust the strap, you just unsnap them, adjust it. So this is the shortest strap length right here, and then if I just unsnap the buttons on the side, it will allow me to adjust the strap to the longest length setting, which I really do appreciate, because like the Palm Springs Mini, sometimes you have to adjust your straps by elongating the strap with another strap in order to have that crossbody length of a strap if you choose to wear that bag crossbody. So I think Louis Vuitton did a really good job with creating a strap like this. I know this isn't their first bag that they've created a strap like this for, but it is the first bag that I own with an adjustable strap like this. So it's really great. Again, if you want to jazz up this bag, it comes with a nice chunky-ish gold chain. So you can have the options of carrying the bag with this chain, or you can carry the bag with the leather strap, or you can have them both attached just like this. I usually don't carry this bag with the gold strap. I usually carry the bag, I usually carry the gold strap inside the bag, just cause I usually carry the strap with my pochette accessoire. So usually this is the strap that's on that bag. But anyway, I am going to show you everything that fits inside of this bag. Just a little side note, does anybody else kind of use what fits in my bags to either pack up the purse that they're going to use or clean out the purse that they're going to transition out of? If that's you, comment down below, or give this video a like if that's you, because that's me. Shameless plug. Anyway, this is the inside of my handbag. Chaotic, very much chaos. I've been carrying this bag since March and we're in June. Okay, just keep that in mind. I've been carrying this bag since March and it is in June. Have not transitioned out. And when I would transition out, it's because I need a clutch because I'm going to a work event. Other than that, I've been carrying this bag. Me in this bag, like that. Anyway, so this is the inside of my very, very chaotic bag. And you just see, like, look at how wide the mouth opens that you can just shove things in. Look how much items that I have inside of my bag. And I could still fit some more items in here if I want it to be strategic. But, I mean, I'm not, but because I don't like to overly stuff my bags. But this bag is very malleable. And it comes with some stretch, which is really nice. Speaking of stretch and being malleable, the canvas on this bag isn't like other Louis Vuitton canvas bags like back in the day, but it's doable. It's not bad. It's very carefree. I say if you get stuck in the rain outside with this bag, it's not like it's getting that much damage to it, because you don't have that fresh vachetta or treated vachetta where you have to worry about or liquid stains. But I really love this bag. So anyway, let's get back to what fits inside. I have, so before I do that, you see the black textile lining that I was talking about, and then the back pocket is right here. This is the back pocket that they were talking about in the description or the details of the bag. So in my bag, I'll hold it up so you can see me pull everything out. I have my mini pochette. You know, mini pochettes are the keep-alls for purses. Mine is the My Heritage collection, where I got to customize my own mini pochette. I got to customize it with my initials and the colorway, and put these stripes in this corner and choose the colorway. And you also get to choose the interior of your mini pochette. Of course, it's in gold hardware, and I've gone over what's in my mini pochette in several videos. If you want me to go over it again, I will in the next video. But in this particular video, it's just all of my basic essentials: Advil, lip balm, travel size perfume, vaccine card is in here, hand sanitizer, the works. I also have my reverse monogram Louis Vuitton card holder in here. I have a cell phone charger. My iPhone 10 can fit in here, and an iPhone 13 Plus or 12 Plus can definitely fit in this bag as well. I have some hand cream. I have some, this is actually supposed to be in my mini pochette, but a travel size deodorant. I have some more hand sanitizer. Can never keep my hands clean. I've always been a germaphobe even before the pandemic, so this is on brand for me. I have a pack of gum. I have some chapstick, Vaseline chapstick that's supposed to be in my mini pochette. I also have my portable charger. I also have my MAC Chestnut lip liner. If you know, you know. I also have some Listerine strips, another pack of gum, because clearly oral hygiene is the best hygiene. And I also have my Bath & Body Works chapstick or lip gloss that I always rave about. Oh, and one last thing, I do have some mascara in here. And so those are all the items that pretty much fit inside of this handbag. You can fit a lot more. I still have like a good amount of room in here. Like I said, I could fit more items in here. I'm just strategically throwing things back in. It's not even strategic if you're throwing things back in here. I'm just casually throwing things back in this bag because I'm gonna take it out of town with me. I thought I was going to switch out my handbag, but girl, I'm not. And so I could make it a little bit more organized, but I'm not. I'm gonna be honest with you. Keeping it 100. Anyway, so this is the handbag. If you want me to do a comparison video between this bag and the Odeon, I will definitely do so. I would highly recommend this bag to anybody, and I'm not saying that because I'm on here on YouTube just trying to sell bags or whatnot. That is not the case for me. I really think that this is a great bag. It's not a trendy bag, but that's okay. But this is a time capsule piece. This piece can grow old with you. This piece can be passed down to generation, and I feel like with the amount of money and the price increases that Louis Vuitton are constantly doing, I think this is a safe bag to spend that amount of money on, just because it's something that you can have forever and ever and ever, and whoever you pass it down to can have it forever and ever and ever. And so I think that's where the buyback or the amount of money that's spent on this bag come into play. The fact that it's a time capsule piece, you can have it for a really long time, and it's a great classic Louis Vuitton piece. I do wish the canvas was better, but it's a great bag. But if you like today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I cannot wait to come and talk to you in my next video. I have tons of videos that I have to pump out. That will not pump out, but mainly like film and edit and post. I have them all written down in my journal and in my planner, and I am ready to get back to filming and being able to sit down and chat with you all. And it's been a pleasure sitting here talking with you all, and I miss you all so much, and I'm back and I'm better, and I just can't wait to hang out with my friends again. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.